What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Vel Trainer. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, man, I want to explain why I believe the strategy that I'm working on can make anybody profitable. And it's because I believe it's really easy to understand, really easy to grasp once you just put your focus into it more and more and more and more and more often, rather than switching strategies and just trying to listen to what everybody else is trying to tell you about the charts, bro. And basically it's just strictly price action, bro. You understand? Reading what the candles is telling you to do. And that's why I believe it's really easy to understand, bro. So I believe you could get profitable, your cousin could get profitable, I believe your moms, you could get profitable, your aunt could get profitable, you understand? Anybody could get profitable in this, you understand, with this strategy. Yeah, man, before I get started, I wanna say to y'all, bro, that I appreciate y'all for liking the videos and watching me, you understand, but y'all not subscribed, you understand? That's mad of y'all, bro, that's not subscribed to my channel, bro. And I'm gonna put proof on the screen, bro, you understand? So y'all can know, you understand? But I appreciate all y'all, bro, for watching, you understand? So yeah, but that's what I wanted to say, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe now, you understand? I'll be telling y'all niggas to like, but subscribe now, you understand? Please subscribe. Right. Yeah, man, so let's get right into the video, man. We're gonna be doing too much talking. Let me just show y'all what's going on. So, yeah. Price made another low, a lower high, actually. Yeah, so and you can tell which one's the lows, the swing highs and swing lows. If you just turn on these highs and lows over here. Damn. Low, lower, high, low, high, higher, low, right? And if we zoom in for real, we got these highs here and then a higher low. This looks good to get in, but this still is going bearish because, bro, I would say this is still a bearish trend because bears are still in fact in control, bro. Because look how much bears is wilding right now. They really wilding right here. So you understand, below 848.61, I would say we still bears until we break this trend. That's another thing, bro. We gotta be really patient when it comes to taking out entries, because we can get faked because you're not really marking out the areas and stuff like that. So really be precise with your entries and stuff like that. So we got these be low, high, high, low, right? Lower high because we couldn't break this high. This right here is the lower high because we couldn't break this high. We came down and respected, made another higher low. So we got this push up, and now we're pushing down to respect this higher low right here. So we're going to see what happens. Boom, price come back down to respect it. And some things I like to do as well, I like to draw my little fib. I like to draw my little fib to see the price is going to respect. Came back down, we respected. We came all the way down, we broke the 786 on. This is why we wait. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna cap, bro. Waiting is OD. But that's the thing, bro. We gotta be waiting for price to really give us that entry that we want for real. You understand? So we don't want to be wrong. I would have gotten here. Probably gotten right here. I would never got stopped out. It would have been good money, but it would have came down and I would have been negative. You understand? But it's good. But getting in with price breaks out of this zone right here would have been good, because we broke out, boom, came back down to retest, and as it's pushing back up, I would say we get in right here, because price is going higher. Stops could be right here where the last low was, which is here, and we just target back up to this point, bro, and that's what we taking out. That's what we take our take profit at. Boom. I don't want to say it's easy. It is a little, you know, like it's gonna take some time, bro. It's gonna take some time, but I believe that we can become profitable with this type of strategy right here because it's simple, bro. We just reading price action, bro. Just reading price action. Price made this highest, damn. Price made this highest point. We dropped low, high, low, 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 high, high, low, higher high right here because we broke these low highs. We broke these low highs in this zone, so higher high, higher low. Make this high low. I could have gotten at this high low or waiting for the price to come back up like we did and got in here, which is good. Now that we see that we breaking the downtrend too. We're breaking this downtrend. And it looks good, bro. You understand? So we honestly could target here if we wanted to, you understand? But we don't want to get too crazy because we are in seller's territory, I want to say, bro, because sellers is just wilding here. You understand? This is all selling territory. You know what I'm saying? We want to be safe. We want to keep our, and this is just how I move. You understand? Like, I want to be safe, so I would like y'all to be safe. But if price keeps going, bro, continue. You understand? So, but if you see here, like this is like just going crazy to the downside. What you think is gonna happen, bro, when it gets here? It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall, and now you just be okay with it. You understand? Like, just take your TP here, and that's that. Boom, boom, done. Done. That's what 1 at 3.62 risk to reward. I'm sturdy with this. You understand? Like, we just gonna wait for the next one now. We just gonna wait for the next one now, bro. You understand? I ain't gonna cap, bro. Look, it came all the way there. It went all the way there. But that's another thing too I want to say. You understand? So I could have taken this based off of the fact that there are no rejections to this point at all. You understand? So price had to come all the way down here and reject these. You see how it's making higher lows? It wants to come to this point because we never respected this area. Never respected this area right here, bro. So that's why I believe that price could have trended higher, even though that we have these. But be mindful of these because we can fall back down. You understand? So that's what I'm trying to say, bro. If I wasn't that clear, but this is a good trade. You understand? But sometimes I don't want to be too greedy. I'll take my profit right here, bro. You understand? I'll take it right there and let that rock out. You can have that. You understand? We could have that, right? But yeah, bro. Let me just get a little down. Let me see what down trade looking like. So let me just wait for a little. So we have highs, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs. Now we getting the lower low because we broke this low. So I ain't gonna cap. I'm waiting for a down trade position. So if it don't present itself, I'm gonna take another position going up. So that's that. So we gonna see what happens, bro. So we got these low lows, we got these lower highs. Price gonna come and break these. Price could not come up. Buyers could not come up and break these highs again. We made higher lows. No, yeah, higher lows. Boom, we get another lower high now. So that's good right there. Understand? So we have this lower low. Let me just draw the tool. We got these lows and lower highs and low lows and lower highs and low lows, right? Indication starts here. Indication starts here because we broke below swing lows. We broke below the swing lows. We got this new low, lower high. And now we coming back into the low where we broke out before. So that's why I would take a trade here, because we're breaking back below. You understand? Over here sometimes, but sometimes like this can be like a little tricky. You understand? Like we get in here, this shit could come down and make another high low right here. So sometimes like that really don't mean shit. So you just get back in once it break below the low. And we just wait and see what it wants to do. I'm saying come back down to this demand zone right here. So, and my stops would be probably like above this last high that it made. So we want to see what happens here. Boom. Price come back up. And as we can see right here, what is it doing? So I wanna like, this is what I mean, bro. Like we gotta like really pay attention and watch what's going on, watch and see what price action is trying to do. You understand? So if we are in the uptrend, you understand, because we got these highs, we have this going strictly up, we can be on this correction. You understand? So we got these highs in the market and lower high. You understand? So now we got these low lows we made and lower highs. So we are on the correction, basically. We are on that correction. But we are still above these lower highs over here. Excuse me. We are still above these lower highs, bro. Still above that. It means we still in this uptrend. We still in it. Let me get rid of these, bro. So I don't want to make nobody confused or whatever. Bro, if I'm like making it like, if I'm making sense to y'all, bro, just like let me know, bro, in the comments, bro, because it look like it is all over the place. But if you can see what I'm seeing, bro, you lit. Or we still in this uptrend, bro. You understand? So if we not breaking these lows, then you know we are trying to go higher. So we want to see, we got these lows right here, lower high, came back down, made another support. So we're gonna mark these up as a support. And price look like it's not trying to break past it, you understand? But we have another higher low. Damn, every time I touch this shit, it's like making another shit in my way. But low, lower high, higher low, lower high. The price is coming back down to this higher low. So we want to see what happens, bro. Boom, price come back up and make another lower high. Price come, look, now look, see, look, you understand? This is it. I probably would have gotten out here, bro, you understand? Just because, bro, it's starting to consolidate right here. Damn. I would have gotten out at this point. You understand? Because it got there, bro. Basically, it got there. You understand? It got there. You understand? So that's another thing, bro. I don't really want to like just keep holding and let the shit go back up. No, we not doing that. We not doing that. I'm gonna take my shit off the table. Facts. But yeah, if it wants to go back up, bro, it'll go back up. But that's it for me. See? You see? Once it start doing a little bit of this and a little bit of this over here, like, you know, bro, that's what I'm saying. Like, you gotta pay attention to what the price action is trying to tell you, bro. We not trying to break these swing lows over here. We're not. We broke the main over here, we broke these lows right here, but nigga, this is the main one right here. This is the main one right here. The man said, y'all niggas is not coming no lower than this. You understand? You're not even coming to touch this shit. You understand? But that's that right there, bro. That's that right there. That's gonna be the end of this video. If this video made sense to y'all, bro, like, drop something in the comments, bro. You understand? Like, just let me know if it did make sense to y'all. If it cleared up something for y'all. If I was, you know, if I helped some of y'all, bro, just let me know in the comments, bro. And if it didn't, bro, let me know. I'll do another one, bro. Don't make no, it's no problem with me. I'll make another one. But just basically price action, reading price action, bro. Focusing on the higher highs and the higher lows, the swing highs and swing lows. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, bro. Please subscribe to the channel, bro. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, bro. Be out.